Well, hello, Julie here again today, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my simple 3-shade eyeshadow steps. So first of all, I'm going to be using this beautiful colour palette here that has 4 eyeshadows, blushes and highlighters. And to start with, I'm going to use the lightest shade. So this one up in the corner here. So I'm using a nice fluffy brush. And I'm going to load up the brush, give it a good tap so that you don't get powder all over your eyes, and you're going to first of all dab it on, and then with the windscreen wiper action just blend it all over your eyelid from the lash to just in below the brow. I'll do the same on the other eye. And the reason I pat it on first is so that you get any excess and it gets you the pigmented colour where you want it first. There we go. Now I'm going to get the next shade, and I've chosen this one here. And again, I'll use the fluffy brush, but this time I'm just going to put it on the between the lash to the crease. Again, I'm going to just press it on. You can see this is like a middle shade colour. And you're best to start with a little and build the colour rather than putting lots of dark colour on and then trying to blend it out. Remember, always tap your brush. Going in the just to the crease. Now I'm going to change to a flat brush and I'm going to do some contouring. So I'm going to use this darkest colour to give some contour back into my eye. So again, put some on your brush and tap it. Now what I'm going to do is just pat some along the crease to about 2/3 of the way along, and then bring it back in the corner. So it's almost like a backwards C. Now you don't want to go past your eye because that's going to make your eyes look droopy, and we don't want that. Now if you have hooded eyes, a little bit like me, what happens is when I open my eye, if I don't bring the colour up a little bit, it's all just going to sink down into my eye, into my eyelid. So it's a good idea to bring it up a tiny little bit. Now we'll do the same on the other eye. So in the crease, and I'm using this palette, has really lovely natural shades, which is just perfect for just about everybody. And as I said, you can build the colour. If you don't feel it's enough, you can just add a little bit more. But you want to have a nice natural look. And the idea of the deeper colour is just to put some contouring back into your eyes. Then I pick up my big fluffy brush again and just blend all of them together so that you can't see where they started and finished. Now this is just a really natural look, so you'll see lots of looks around, but if you just want a nice natural everyday look, this is perfect. So, and if you felt like you needed a little bit more of the lighter colour, just press some into the centre of the eye, and that will just highlight the middle of your eye lid. And there you go, 3 colours on your eyes.